Alright, good evening everyone. So, like promised, I said I'll be dropping analysis on synthetic pests. So, this is it. Analyzing synthetic pests are quite easy. It doesn't take much time. So, let's get it started. So, let me first add one more. Okay, the brush. Okay, so as synthetic, the first pair on my list is volatility 100 index. Volatility 100 index. So on volatility 100, synthetic pairs Deriv doesn't provide you monthly charts or weekly charts. They start from the 24 hours. So I'm going to start from the 24 hours and end at a possible lowest time frame like the 1 hour, and then we pick our entry from there. So let's go. So on the 24 hours, the 24 hours is the same as the daily time frame. So let's say the daily time frame, I have my daily upper zone here. Let me make it black so you can see. Okay, my daily upper zone here, midway zone here, and my lower zone here. So on, oh wow, I've not really been trading this pair, so I have to be adding more to it. So on the daily time frame, you can see the price is moving to the upside. Price is moving to the upside. So if you watch this support, after price tap into it, you could see the volatility. This was the first time, second time, and it's happening again. It has happened previously in the past. This is not the first time. It has happened over here a couple of times. So we know that this is a very strong support. So after price has tapped into it, it's going to the upside. So we are going to be looking for buying opportunities from here all the way to here. Now, we are going to be looking for buying opportunities all the way here. So let's go to the 4 hour and look for an end and see how we are going to pick the entry on this pair. So here on the 4 hour chart, I have my 4 hour upper zone here and my lower zone here. So on the 4 hour time frame, you can see that price is at a 4 hour zone, which is also a support, a 4 hour support. So if you are watching this, you can be looking for an entry on volatility 100 index here. You can pick an entry from here, but I prefer we pick it from the 1 hour time frame. So let's go to the 1 hour. Okay, so here on the 1 hour, I have my 1 hour upper zone here. So here we are on the 1 hour, and you see volatility. Sorry, the price is in our support zone. So when price at support zone, we look for buying opportunities, and when price at resistance, we look for selling opportunities. So since price is at support, we are just going to be waiting for a candle confirmation from here. When we get the candle confirmation, then we buy all the way here. We won't be targeting this zone, we'll be targeting the upper zone, the 4 hour upper zone here. Hopefully we make money from it. So that's it on volatility 100 index. And I got a couple of messages, people asking why haven't I been dropping analysis on synthetic pests, or why haven't I been trading synthetic pests. I do trade synthetic pests. Those who have been with me since last year or last 2 years know I trade synthetic pests. But it got to a stage they said I didn't verify, I didn't do my address verification or proof of address verification, so they had to take down my account and said I should wait until I confirm my proof of address before they can allow me to trade and some stuff like that. So I had to take a break with them, and it was a whole lot of like I had to take a break and do all kind of stuff. I was also too busy to go for to do the verification. So last week I got it done, and that's why not be trading synthetics. So by starting today, I've already started trading them myself. By starting tomorrow, you start receiving signals on synthetic pairs. So, like I said last week, get your synthetic account funded and ready to go. And if you also haven't joined the free Telegram community, the link will be in the description. You can click on it and join from there. So on volatility 100 index, we are just waiting for a confirmation to then we take our buy all the way to the 4-hour upper zone here. So that's it on volatility 100. Let's move on to the next pair. The next pair will be volatility 10 index. Okay, that's beautiful. Well, I actually missed it. It's cool. Okay, so let's start from the 4-hour on volatility 10 index. So on volatility 10 index, I have my daily upper zone here, daily midway zone here, and my daily lower zone here. And if you watch closely, volatility 10 index is in an uptrend. Even though it's currently moving downwards, it's in an uptrend. And the uptrend is just a retest coming down here before we move to upside. So if you watch the bigger picture, we have the higher high, higher low, 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 higher high. And you are seeing higher low, and price going to the upside. And someone may ask, if we are in an uptrend, then why is price dropping to this zone before it moves to the upside? Price is dropping to here because after the breakout from this zone, there was no retest. After the breakout of this zone, there was no retest and price started going to the upside. So if you've been trading for long, you should know that whenever price breaks out of a very strong support or a resistance zone, there will always be a retest. There will always be a retest. It might take long, but the retest will surely happen. The retest will surely happen. So that's why we are seeing price dropping like this. I'm expecting it to be a retest before the move happens and it goes to the upside. So since volatility 10 is also moving to the upside, let's go and look for buying opportunities. So let's go to the 4-hour. So this is the 4-hour, and on the 4-hour actually we are seeing a change of character. So price was moving to the upside. You and you see that it has broken out of this strong support zone, making it a resistance. The price has done a retest. You can see the drop coming. So we are expecting price to come here, give us something like this with an entry confirmation, then we buy all the way to the upside on volatility 10 index. So that's it. There's nothing much to say about it. So that's it. I'm just going to wait for price to drop all the way into our buy zone. Give us an entry confirmation, something like this. The confirmation, then we buy all the way to the upside, all the way to the upside. So that this will be the setup, and this will be the setup. And I'll update you on how it's going, all that. So that's it on volatility 10. You see, analyzing synthetic pairs is not that hard. It's all technicals. You don't need fundamentals to trade them. It's all technicals. It's all technicals. It's all technicals. So let's analyze one more pair before we end it here. So that pair will be volatility 75 index. I'm actually only analyzing the pairs that I've seen opportunities on. I'm not going to analyze the pair that we've been waiting for months, 2 months, 3 months without getting a setup. I'm analyzing those that I'm seeing opportunities on. So this volatility 75 and I'm on the daily time frame. So let's get into it. So on volatility 75, I have my daily upper zone here, midway zone here, and my lower zone here. My daily upper zone here, midway zone, and my lower zone here. So on volatility 75, you are seeing a bullish market. You are looking at a bullish market price moving to the upside. You are looking at a bullish market. So first it was this zone, then you could see that price after any time price gets to that zone, you are seeing price moving to the upside, and you are seeing that exact same structure again. And upon all that, you are seeing a very strong bullish engulfing candlestick here at the support zone, giving us real momentum that price is going to the upside. So on volatility 75, we are going to be looking for buying opportunities all the way to the upside. We are going to be looking for buying opportunities all the way to the upside. So let's go to the 4 hour. So here we are on the 4 hour, and on the 4 hour, I have my 4 hour midway zone here. And you could see that price has broken out of the 4 hour midway zone. So, like I said earlier, anytime price breaks out of a strong support or a resistance zone, there must be a retest before we take our trade. There must be a retest. So, since price has broken out of the zone, we are going to wait for price to come down for a retest and entry confirmation, then we buy all the way to the upside. But you are not going to take the buy from here. So let's go to the 1 hour and see what we are going to do. Okay, so let me explain it. So I have so on volatility 75, I have my monthly upper zone here. So I actually have these zones left because this was the trade I took yesterday and I exited around here. So that's why I still have these zones on. But there's no use of it. So that's why I'm not talking about them. I'm only talking about the zones that you are going to make use of. So on volatility 75, on the 1 hour chart, I have my 1 hour upper zone here. So on the upper zone, we are since we are looking for buy and we are waiting for price to come for the retest, price to come into this zone, give us an entry confirmation, then we buy all the way to the upside, all the way to the upside. So we'll be targeting the daily midway zone here. So this will be the setup, and when it's ready, I'll drop it in the group for everyone to take. I'll drop it in the group for everyone to take. So if you are not in the free Telegram community, the link will be in the description. Click on it and join now. And tomorrow is 9. Tomorrow is 9. If you be with me, you know something great is starting tomorrow. And what's that great thing? That great thing is the free forex trading class hosted by Podolsky Ventures Trading Academy. It's for free. It's completely free. All you have to do is join, give us your time and your attention, and we teach you forex trading, the beginner's forex trading guide, all for free. You don't need to pay anyone. You don't need to, all you have to do is be active online. Get yourself a laptop, a notebook, a pen, a pencil, a ruler, and your phone, your internet connection, and be online tomorrow, 8 p.m. sharp. We are starting. 8 p.m. Ghana time sharp. We are starting. So, if you haven't joined the group yet, the group it will be hosted on Telegram. It will be hosted on Telegram. It's all for free. So just click on the link in the description and you join the class for free. You join the class for free. It's going to be really amazing. It's going to help a lot of people. So if you know you want to get into forex trading, you don't have any idea about the forex market, or you are already a beginner but you are not getting some things right, just join this group. It will help you. It will really help you. Just join it for free. But if you also don't want to join the free group and you are interested in the master class, the prices has been reduced. It's really affordable. You've reduced the price for everyone. It's really affordable. With just with just $30, you can get access to our mentorship class or our mentorship course, where you get a one-on-one class, like a one-on-one class with one of our mentors, which who will be mentoring you for just $30. We will be mentoring you one-on-one, only you. Any question you have about the market, any question you have about the financial market, you ask and you get answered, help you solve all your problems just for $30. But if you can't afford it, that's why we have the free class where we teach you all the basics, everything you need to do. We won't be Nothing will be left out. Nothing will be left out. So we are starting tomorrow, 8 p.m. Ghana time. If you are in Nigeria, that will be 9 p.m. And other countries you can convert it depending on your time zones. So if you are in Ghana, it's 8 p.m. Ghana time. Just click on the link in the description, have your items ready, your gadgets ready, the internet connection, buy enough data so you'll be active. And if you are already in the group, like I said, join the chat group where we'll be hosting live classes and we'll be answering your questions. If you have your questions, we'll answer it for you and all of that sort. So if you haven't joined the chat group also, you should do so before the class starts tomorrow, 8 p.m. You should do so before the class starts tomorrow. So that'll be it on today's pre-market analysis, and also expect uh, forex analysis maybe this evening or throughout the week. We'll be dropping forex analysis also. So that'll be it on today's pre-market analysis, and peace. I'm out.